Here is the rear differential fill plug, already removed. And on the passenger side, here is the differential drain plug, already removed. And here is the differential fill plug. And here is the differential drain plug, magnetic. Here is the amount of dirt or shavings after the first differential oil change at 10,000 miles. Honestly, not too bad. Not too bad. 2 quarts of dual pump fluid. This is the easiest method I've come up with. No pumps, just let gravity do it. Attach a hose to a cap. Just drill a hole in an older cap. Get your bottle up into the gap here. Squeeze it. You'll be able to get 90% of the fluid out of there. It only needs about 1.5 quarts, so if you have a little bit left over of each jug, it's not a big deal. Excuse me. Oh. It's just about empty. Okay, here is quart number 2. Give it a little squeeze. Still going. As we know, the idea is to fill it until it starts dribbling out. So as you get towards the end, don't squeeze it too much. It's starting to come out now. I'm going to try and put a little bit more in than whatever overflows, just because I'm on a slight incline here, or decline.